Buying a high-end gaming PC is certainly important for gamers and is always worth the price as it ensures the best possible performance in your video games. Apart from its price, it is important to have a console that will increase the features, graphics, and pleasure of playing games. So, let's look at the best of the game consoles, their features, and which one would be best to buy. In general, the product that is one of the best options is PlayStation 5. With its powerful hardware, revolutionary controller, and a decent library of desirable console-exclusive titles, the PS5 takes the top spot as the best gaming console money can buy right now. With incredible exclusive libraries like Marvel's Spider-Man 2, Stellar Blade, and The Last of Us Part 1, the PS5 is definitely one of the best consoles you can buy right now. You can expect to experience ray tracing and select games at resolutions up to 4K. PS5 has some of the best console-exclusive games on the market. There's also backwards compatibility with the PS4's extensive library, so you'll always have a ton to play with. The PS5 can produce a 4K resolution image at 30 FPS, 60 FPS, and even 120 FPS on supported titles. This can look absolutely stunning with the right TV or monitor setup. The included controller, Sony's DualSense wireless controller, is also a major highlight, with a great form factor and great haptic feedback. Supporting 4K plus 120 Hz, leader controller, and many special games are the advantages of this product. The possibility of the internal drive filling up quickly can also be considered among the disadvantages of this product. CPU: 8-core AMD Zen 2-based CPU at 3.5 GHz, variable frequency. GPU: 10.28 teraflops, 36 CU at 2.23 GHz, variable frequency. GPU architecture: dedicated RDNA, 2 Oberon memory interface, 16 GB GDDR6, 256-bit. Memory bandwidth: 448 GB per S internal storage, dedicated 825 GB SAT available storage, 667.2 GB I/O throughput, 5.5 GB per S raw, typical 8 to 9 GB per S compressed, expandable storage, NVMe SSD slot external storage, USB HDD support, PS4 games only, optical drive, 4K UHD Blu-ray drive for standard version. From a raw technical perspective, the Xbox Series X is the most powerful console currently available, and therefore the best choice if pure performance is your number one concern. Many of the best Xbox series, like the PS5, the Xbox Series X has 4K support and compatibility with desirable graphics features, like ray tracing, the one area where the Xbox Series. But Xbox Game Pass helps make up for this by offering players the chance to enjoy a wide variety of games for one low monthly price. There's also excellent backwards compatibility, letting you play games dating back to the original Xbox, much better than what the PS5 offers. Forza Horizon 5 is one of the best racing games on the market, while simulator fans will love the hardware-intensive and stunningly beautiful Microsoft Flight Simulator. They will definitely appreciate it. There are a ton of multi-platform releases to consider, including the brilliant Lords of the Fallen and Sonic Superstars. It is the best budget game console on the market. It's also great that its price is frequently discounted. But while this low price point makes it the obvious choice for the most affordable gaming console, you should remember that you're making a number of compromises when choosing the Xbox Series S over its bigger sibling or PS5. For starters, the machine lacks a physical disk drive and is limited to 1440p resolution rather than the Xbox Series X's 4K output. This means games won't look very sharp, especially if you're using a 4K monitor or an expensive gaming TV. If you're downloading many of the larger games available on Xbox Game Pass, the 512GB SSD may also start to fill up faster than expected. This can be solved with the addition of the Seagate Xbox Storage Expansion Card, but that's an expensive solution if you're after higher capacity models. This console lets you enjoy all the great current-gen Xbox games like Forza Motorsport and Starfield for a fraction of the price of the Xbox Series X. It also makes for an excellent media streaming hub, offering native apps for Netflix and Disney+, where this console's 1440p resolution helps images look much sharper than your standard 1080p picture. Xbox Series S offers the ability to play all Xbox Series X games at 1440p at a very affordable price. The Xbox Series S is a fraction of the size of its bigger sibling, making it ideal for those with cramped gaming spaces or those playing on the go. The Nintendo Switch OLED is easily the definitive model from Nintendo's current consoles. Its internal processing power may be the same as the standard Nintendo Switch model, but its screen has been upgraded significantly. With a larger 7-inch OLED panel, the best Nintendo Switch games look better than ever when playing in handheld mode. The Nintendo Switch OLED is more expensive than the standard Switch model, but it's still much more affordable than Sony and Microsoft's current-gen consoles, the PS5 and Xbox Series X. Of course, it's worth noting that the Nintendo Switch OLED isn't as powerful as those rival consoles, and those who play games ported to the system from other platforms may find they struggle a bit at times in comparison. Screen improvements aside, the Nintendo Switch OLED has a larger kickstand and improved. It's also worth noting that it includes speakers, which means it's easier to play in desktop mode, and games sound better when the system isn't docked. All Nintendo Switch games are compatible with the OLED model, so you don't have to worry about having a small game library. Compared to the original Nintendo Switch, the Nintendo Switch OLED benefits from a stellar display, improved speakers, and a much better kickstand among its other upgrades. The Nintendo Switch OLED has twice the internal storage of the base model and is ideal for digital gaming. In this video, we examined the game consoles, their features, and the services they offer. If you like our review videos, don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.